Have you ever wondered how to develop your own affiliate store? Do you often wonder how to do affiliate marketing from your own website? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of selling affiliate products in your own web store? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about selling affiliate products in your own web store, some useful hints. Now let's get into it. There are many advantages of having your own web address for selling affiliate programs or products. For beginners, selling from your own web store obviously poses some problems and expenses. Firstly, you have the expense of a web address. To start with, 𝐤𝐤.info address can cost you as little as 99 cents. So that is no real obstacle. Then you will need hosting. While this is an expense, the cost can be minimal. There are some relatively cheap answers. Personally, I like 𝐤𝐤host, as you can have multiple stores for one monthly fee. 𝐤𝐤host is the cheapest if you pay for 3 years of advanced hosting. This may not suit everyone, but still, the cost is quite reasonable, particularly when you consider how much some affiliate programs want you to pay to join them and use the sites they prepare for you. How about the skills needed to build or operate a website? Again, this is minimal. If you can start and operate an email account, you can have your own store. 𝐤𝐤host has a free program called 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐤, which is simple and easy to use. They have a series of videos that explain all the functions of the programs for you. Also, they have a forum that you can also use to get help. As far as I am concerned, if you are really serious about making any money, even a modest income to supplement your main income from the web, you should develop these basic skills. He was a newly retired Australian man and had been talked into buying 6 web stores. He had been convinced to part with thousands of dollars to a company that set these stores up as drop-ship stores. As part of their service, they had set up PCC schemes on each store for him for several keywords per store. He had been left in a situation where large bills were going onto his credit cards each month for these PCC payments, and he did not have the knowledge needed to even turn these PCC campaigns off. Don't under any circumstances agree to any sort of regular payment until you know how to stop the payments. This especially applies to some schemes where you pay, say $1 to try it for a month, but you have to give your credit card details, and unless you cancel, your credit card then gets charged a monthly fee. I'm not suggesting that all these types of schemes are scams, as some are operated by very well-known individuals and do have the potential to generate income, but just make sure you know the details. If you are a little unsure, use something like PayPal where you can get help to cancel a bill if need be. Another decision you will need to make is how your visitors are going to join and or pay for your products. Will you need to have a card attached to your store? If you are using your address simply to advertise another program, you may send interested persons to your affiliate link and or splash page through that site and do away with the need for a separate cart. If you are advertising multiple goods or programs, you may even set up a page for each program on your site. Some people post just one page to advertise their multi-level marketing business or businesses. I think you need to have a few other pages on the site. An About Me page is a good idea as it helps visitors to realize they are dealing with a real individual. You can also use a page for a blog if you wish. You can put a link back to your Twitter or Facebook page. A resource or links page can also help your site seem more real and help with search engine ratings if this is important to you. If you follow my suggestion and are only paying one monthly fee to host multiple sites, how many sites should you have for your affiliate programs? It will depend on what you are promoting. Be careful of how many multi-level marketing programs you put on the same site. The obvious question can be, if each of your programs is so good and is capable of generating income for your visitors and you are so pleased with it, why have you joined so many? Also, be careful with links to Twitter or Facebook that promote multiple similar programs for the same reason. Obviously, some affiliate programs can complement each other. You may be promoting a weight loss product, but you could also promote products that people under you can use to promote their weight loss business via the web, such as a company that hosts websites, and maybe a company that provides autoresponders and other useful aids to marketing. My opinion is if all you ever want to promote is the latest get rich scheme, which is the reality all some multi-level marketing affiliates are, have a different site for each one, if you think you are going to stay with that company long enough to get benefit from it. Many people are affiliates for other online stores. You may be an affiliate of a store that sells, for example, children's educational toys and get a commission directly from the store owner or some middle company like ClickBank. How many products would it be wise to put in one store? It would depend on how different or complementary they were. If you know what you are selling and put a lot of thought into it, you may offer a complete range of one line of goods. For example, you could set up a jewelry store where you are an affiliate of a store that sold silver jewelry. You may have another link to a novelty store, perhaps a link through to a diamond site, another link to children's jewelry, and perhaps another to men's jewelry. If you give your visitors good information, you could be quite successful in generating regular income from a storefront like that. Just think of the blog articles you could write. Also, it would be easier to get higher visitor numbers to such a store, than operating a separate store for each category. At the other extreme, you could be an affiliate for totally different things like, say, gifts, clothing, sunglasses, bags, etc. In this case, you would need to have a very well-written homepage and an easy-to-navigate site. It would be a good idea to devote a separate page for each of your products or consider how many stores to operate. Promoting and advertising multiple stores can take a lot of work, particularly as getting a good visitor number to one store may not spill over to your other sites. One of the biggest challenges with operating your own website is getting traffic to your store. No matter how good the store is, no traffic always equals no sales. Therefore, some consider it easier to operate their own store with a site like eBay or its latest competitor, Big Value Depot. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about selling affiliate products in your own web store, some useful hints. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon at the next one.